Ake sibingelele bakudokotela besizibajabule mfana mhle ungathi ikhehlela mntwana umzulu amancisa ngiself futhi ngixolisa. Siyabonga kakhulu kwabantu now that have realized that ubabudokotela usewayekela ama jokes. Ngicabanga mhlawumbe abantu nabantu akade bengasakulandeli sebezongilandela manje ngoba not everybody likes ama jokes but sengithatha isinqumo ukuthi ngiwayeke. But I've got a topic today that says let's just shake your mind a little bit. Shake your mind. Kunezinto akazi ezothi umuzizwa kule channel. It's an only channel that will teach you this. I'm bragging. It's an only channel that will teach you this. Okay, we are shaking your mind. Do you? Okay, good. Why teachers, they teach certain subjects, others they cannot. But it's because the teachers are not learners. When you learn everything. When you teach certain things. Teachers and learners are not the same thing. When you learn everything, but when you teach one thing. Yeah. Okay, glass. A transparent glass. You know a glass? Glass of beer, it's just a glass. Glass, window glass, all those things. What is made of? Okay, a glass is made of what? Want me to tell you? A glass is made out of sand. So why it is transparent? The glass is made out of sand. The other sand that is used, it is lime sand. But why glass is transparent? If you can tell me, it's okay. But if you cannot tell me, I'm one of my friends. Okay, let's answer this. This is personal. How old are you? Huh? You are? You're 36? Oh, 36. Okay. If you are 36, which means you were born in 1990. If you are 36. Okay, do me a favor. I'll give you the answer. The answer is 2026. Add 1990 plus 20 plus 36. Count it. Yes, 2026. Okay, let's go back. How old are you now? You are 26. Okay, which means you were born 2000. Okay. Add 26 plus 2000. Obvious, the answer is 2026. That is too easy. Okay, let's go back to you now. You are 80? I can't hear you. We are 86. Okay. Okay, add. You are 86. You were born in 1986. Or you are 46. Or we are 46 years old, which means you were born in 1980. Okay, take 46 plus 1980. Why the answer is always 2026? Why? We did 3 trials. 2000, the answer was the same. The person who was born 1990, the answer was the same. The answer was born 1980, the answer is the same. You were born in 1970? What? 73? Okay. Which means we are 53. Okay, add 53 plus 1973. The answer is 2026. Kwenzeka kanjani? The science can't explain it. You too can't explain it. Don't try to be smart. We are shaking your mind. Okay, let's come to this. Before you ask me who created God, because we are Hlanya verse, do you know that expiring date is fake? Say yes, expiring date is fake. What is effective is best before. Expiring date is a scam. I can prove it. Say prove it. I'll prove it. Okay. Sugar. Hambe uthenga ushukela esitolo, ubheke expiring date. Every sugar has an expiring date. But when the date passes, the sugar is still sweet. Oh, the expiring date was a scam then. Go and buy salt and look at the expiring date. When the expiring date passes, the salt is still very salty. Still very salty. That shows that they scammed you with the expiring date. There's no such thing as expiring date. What is effective is best before. Okay, let's go to poison now. Wait till it expires. Can you eat it with your sandwich? Because it has expired. Eating an expired poison is no longer poison. You'll die. You will be poisoned by yourself because no, expiring taste is just a scam. Don't buy that. It is just a scam. I'm telling you, it's just a scam. Puma futhi kulento le. Yeah, but yithi this is babu Jabulela Mfana Pleasure Khehle Mlungu. Okay, yine channel engiyisungulile the Urban Life in Durban, Urban Life in Durban. I got a message that Bab Dokotela ake uzoshootha nangakithi. I was invited kwaSithebe eMandeni. I also got a call to ukuza eMzimkhulu. They also invited me in Potchefstroom. Okay, fine. Okay. I went to Mandeni. Ngingene ngaseMangethe noma ngakwaMangethe. Ngangena 9 kilometers to Mandeni. Then I reached there. Bakithi masipala waseMandeni ngicela nibuke le nto. The Urban Life in Durban YouTube channel. eMandeni ayikho lento enziwa lapha yana. Asinalo thina idolobha ngathi lungumjondolo. There is no way ukuthi singaba nedolobha uma sipalwa lapha mina ngikwazi abantu abadayisela emgaqweni, they don't have shelters. They ended up bakha imjondolo yabo in order ukuthi bakhave ilanga. Hayi ngeke angaze ngibone into enjeyamini. La nto enziwe eMandeni la nto kufanele iphinde ibukisiswe kahle ukuthi uma sipalwa laphana ngempela labantu abakhokhini laphana ngoba phela kulezi zibhesi uyabakhokhisa and ubakhokhisela ukuthi abashiswe ilanga. Ubakhokhisela ukuthi abashiswe ilanga. Kunemijondolo edolobheni kunemijondolo. Hayi ngeke abantu baseMandeni ngeke akuyona le nto lena. Akuyona nje ngaphakathi edolobheni kunomgaqo oyibhuqu. Hayi ngeke Mandeni angikaze ibone le nto mina. Angikaze ngibone. Ngithe nje ngilishutha impela le dolobha lenu angisho ukuthi limbi lingcolile ingcoso ukuthi le indlela yakhiwe ngayo imijondolo. Hayibo kahleni. Okay, I also went to the mall, Mandeni Mall. Mandeni Mall is ecstatic, is pristine, very beautiful. Very beautiful. But eMandeni lento eniyenza lapha eMandeni ayikho futhi nje yimbi nje. Ake nisitshele into ukuthi mhlazana sizoshutha eMandeni sofika siboneni noma beningitshela ukuthi ngizobona le nto. And thereafter I also drove to KwaSithebe. KwaSithebe ku right. KwaSithebe ku right amafemu akho mjondolo akho lutho nje KwaSithebe ku right. Imizi yakhe lapho yakhe khona. Ngadrive kukhona nemixhaso ke lapha nesando kwakhiwa ngangena kuyona lemixhaso ngadrive khona ngase ngabuyi kodwa ngizocela ningene kwi channel The Urban Life in Durban ubhale ubuke le tour yaseMandeni. I was embarrassed akuyona into bengithi ngifuna ukuyibuka akuyona. Okay, come to eMzimkhulu senginenzile ke yaseMzimkhulu ngena futhi wana waseMzimkhulu uJack idolobha lakho. Oh my goodness, umzimkhulu, so beautiful. Muhle umzimkhulu anguxokisi, muhle nje umzimkhulu. Umzimkhulu there is a mall, umzimkhulu mall, umzimkhulu hotel. That is beautiful. And ayikho imjondolo, ayikho yidrive lela dolopha, ngidrive ngaze ngafika elokushini yakhona, isabhabhu yakhona ngajika ngabuya ngifuna ubona ngemuva ke kwedolopha ayikho yini imjondolo mhlawumbe efihliwe. Your city is neat, your city is beautiful. Your city is neat, your city is beautiful. Out of 10, I'll give it 7. Your city is neat, your city is beautiful. I also went to Exhobo. Exhobo is too old and Exhobo is 6/10 because kugcwele kakhulu Exhobo. Kugcwele nje kakhulu Exhobo. Uyazi, when I was in Exhobo, I remember myself when I was in Jaipur in India. Ungathi say India. ngathi se-India hayi ukuthi ngicole kugcwele over congested, that is why out of 10 ngibanika ses over 10 ixhopho. I also did high flats is beautiful. High flats is beautiful, umgaqo wodwa nje high flats out of 10 ngabanika u7 futhi nami umgaqo wodwa. There's nothing much to see, but it was also pristine. Comes to Stenga was good. Stenga was good. You know, I did Stenga as well. Comes to Umzinto, it is dirty. I repeat, there is mountain of waste that has never been collected for a long time. Umzinto, it is a mountain of garbage that has never been collected for the long time. That is what I have seen in Umzinto. If I saw something else, men's on jail, but Umzinto, that is it. Comes to Potchefstroom. I went to Potchefstroom. It was raining. I did that trip as well. Your Potchefstroom, there is a mall, Potchefstroom Mall. Wow, it's beautiful. Yes, it is beautiful. And no. I write a Potchefstroom. I did it. And after ngabuya ne-report esho ukuthi indawo ebhedile iyodwa iMandeni, ayikho lento eninzi eMandeni. I repeat, lento enziwa umasipala waseMandeni ayikho, angazi ukuthi bayithatha futhi lento, angazi abayithatha lento, ayikho lento enziwa eMandeni. Bekuyilokho. Asikhulume ngomabhebeza lo brown. Kumabhebeza abantu ngifuna ukuphinde ngi-emphasize lento. Kumabhebeza abantu bakwazi ukwakhelwa isikhwama semali kumabhebeza. Simakhela umuntu ngo-50,000. Ukwazi ukwakha umabhebeza obrown ngoba uhluka khona brown khona ngakho brown. Kumabhebeza obrown ukwazi ukwakha inyoka ngo-150,000. Kumabhebeza obrown ukwazi ukuvusa utikoloshe. But ubabudokotela akawenze utikoloshe. That I don't do. Angikwazi ukuthi wenziwa nje kodwa bayakwazi ukwenza abanye. Bakhona abakwazi. If bekhona abazi angifuni ukuthi mina nami sengiyakwazi. Into engayazi ngiyazi. Ngisho ukuthi labantu abafuna ngibakhele lesa sikhwama sikamabhebeza ufuna ube no50, uma ufuna ngikwakhele istimela ufuna ube no150,000 and istimela ngisakhele ingane nje angifuni umuntu uzothi ekhaya babone le yanyoka manje baba ngenze njani, angiyikhulumi indaba yalonto mina. Nginazi lezo zikhuluma lezo angizikhulumi lento lezo. Bakithi this is Baba Dot Voices bojabulele lezi zinto soloko sizikhuluma nje. Uma uhamba nabantu abawu3 abadakiwe nidlulwa imoto, umuntu ubona idakwa ezo4, if nje wena uhamba nabantu abadakiwe abawu4 ubona abantu idakwa ezo5, which means if uhamba nabantu abaziphukuphuku, people who are fools, people who are idiot, bewu3, wena you are the 4th idiot. Wena uyisiphukuphuku sesine, we are the 4th idiot. Kunezinto empilweni yakho that you have to distance yourself. According to the idiot, they bless the name of the Lord for being stupid because they treat it as if it is a blessing from God. Uzasho athi uNkulunkulu mina angiphanga into eziningi, angiphanga ukuhlakanipha, kodwa nje inhlonipho nginayo. Uhlonipha ukuthi uyahlupheka, uhlonipha ukuthi uyisilima. You cannot respect the fact that you are idiot. Even praising God, hey, God didn't give me wealth and intelligence, but at least I've got a respect. Respect of being stupid. Something's wrong. But it against pumen nje kubantu abantu abazilima iphuphuku nje, they'll never impart its wisdom kuwena. I repeat, kubantu abazilima iphuphuku angeke bakuthelele ngobuhlakani, bangakuthelela ngobulima. And from today, look at your friends. Your friends literally determine your ending. But look at your friends. Most of them, they don't have emails. Your friends, because they don't see the need of the email. Look at your friends. No one has an overdraft account with any bank because they don't know how to spell overdraft. Why are you dwelling with those people? Why are you dwelling with people who are not having mindset of living ubulima. Ngoba lento ukuthi awunayo email khona into engadumi kahle lekhanda. Kukhona into engadumi lekhanda kahle. Start to rub shoulders with people who are smart. Start to rub shoulders with people who knows things. Do you know what will happen? They will impart something. They will impart something. His Excellency Jacob Zuma, when he was arrested in Robben Island, he didn't have matric. Because he was there with the academics, they imparted intelligence again. Today he is one of the smartest. English, you could stop rubbing shoulders with people abangazi lutho. You'll be even worse. You'll be even worse. Because you start to care about nothing. You start to praise God of keeping you low. Because you got a respect. Respect of what? Ubulima nje obuyisilima nje. Yazi mina ngaza ngenza ivideo ngilila ngathi mina kodwa usuku unebhadi umudala oke wayinyoni. Elokishini uma uyisilima sikubiza ngenyoni. Uyazi omunye umuntu owabe inyoni esenemali ebe inyoni esesebenza abe inyoni esesigqoka umbone u17 ukuthi u17 ke lokho. Umxhaka ugqoka njengomxhaka. Nawe phuma elimeni. Kuze ukuthi into zakho zenzeke. Phuma nje. Uyazi ukuphatha ingane ekhiyayo elokishini ekhiyayo ithawe ave isilima kodwa usibani yazi. Hayibo yazi angimazi mina ukuthi unjani. Hayibo yazi angimazi ukuthi unjani. Kunento ekutshengisayo ukuthi I don't know ukuthi lento icabangayo akekho ulo even ingane yakhe ayicabanga lento. Izisho ithabo baba wena kade wenza lento uthi ndodana. Ingane bese niphele indakazi uthi hayibo baba ngayenza kanjani into nje kanti isilima yini. Ingane yakhe yaduza ukuthi ubaba ngayenza kanjani lento kanti isilima yini. Yeah, bakithi this is Baba Dokotela ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo msebenzi lo ngobekela. Ayibona lento le? Uyayibona lento le? Isibuku lesi, just isibuku lesi. Yasibo isibuku lesi. La iqanda leli. Okay. Lento le uthatha lamafutha la wathele la isibukweni, yabo? Musu warabha kanje. Yabo? Musu uthatha lo muntu engizokunika wona uthele isibukweni, musu warabha kanje. Musu uthatha lento njobe imi kanje, uyoyibeka lapha engizothi ibeke khona. Lento kufuna ngikutshela iqiniso. Iwuthakatha. Okusezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. Okusezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. Uma sesilando lesibuku ayikho into wena ongayenzi ngalesibuku. Nansi into ezocontrola ile qanda leli. Ila mafutha lawa. Acontrola lesibuku lesi. Lana ayikho into ongayenzi ngalesibuku. Uma uthi ngithi usibanibane akubo ukuthi lesibuku siyakwenza lokho. Uma unabazalwane abane potential and value ebandleni lesibuku siyakwenza lokho okufunayo. Lesibuku sizokwenza lokho wena okufunayo. Lana umuntu othi Baba Dokotela ngifuna ukusebenza ngento usuku usebenza ngento ke la. But angikutshela iqiniso lento is not for kids. It's not for kids. Sakhela umuntu ngo7,000 rand bese mnika lento. Kodwa lento ufuna sikuvumelane ukuthi lento uyathakatha. Umndeni wakho uze ungayazi lento oyenzayo. No one will forgive you if beke bayazi lento le. But you'll be very rich. You'll be very rich. Ingane zakho zabo zosebenza kwakho. Amakhosikazi akho ayoba amamedi kwakho ifuna lento le. Abafundisi bendawo bazosubmita kuwena ifuna lento le. Ifuna lento. Lento yenza yonke into. But ingokuthakatha. Must I tell you the truth? Lento ikuthakatha. This is Baba Dokotela. This is Baba Jamil. Love you all and goodbye.